Let's start phonics with a phonemic awareness warm-up. You're going to listen for and then delete the final sound in words. So I'm going to say a word, and then I'll change the end of the word. Okay, so here's an example. Listen. Might. What's the sound at the end of might? Right. Now listen. My. I took away the t, and the new word is my. Do you hear that? Might. Take the T away and you get my. Okay, so let's do one together. Light. Lie. What sound do you take away from light to make the word lie? Right, that final t sound. Light, lie. Now let's do some more. Take away the last sound in each of these words and say the new word, okay? Bite. It's a new word. Buy. Good job. How about past? Pass. How about white? Why? How about sheep? She. How about pint? Pine. And your last one is size. Right, your new word is sigh. Good job. On your screen, you will see the spelling card and the sound card for ice cream. Okay, I scream. You say it. I scream. These are all ways that you can say the I sound. Ice cream begins with that long I sound. You can hear the sound I in the beginning, middle, or end of a word. This is the word high. The letters I, G, and H are what stand for the I sound in high. Read the word with me. High. Good job. So we just saw the I, G, H that can say I at the end of a word. Let's look at IE, like in pie, and Y, like in fly. So here is the word fly. In this word, the Y says the I sound. Read the word with me. Fly. Let's try the IE like in pie. Here's the word pie. In pie, IE says the I sound. Read the word with me. Pie. Awesome job. Today for phonics, you have 2 decodable readers and a reader's notebook page that will help you to practice that long I with patterns IGH, Y, and IE. Our first reader starts on page 67. It's called Sally Jane and Beth Ann. And in this story, you have the spelling patterns IGH, Y, and IE, which stand for the long I sound. Remember to preview the story and make a prediction about what you think the story is going to be about before you begin to read. This story starts on page 67 and ends on page 74. Read this through 2 times, I think, would be a good number. So you can read it to yourself your first time, and the second time you can either read it aloud or read it with your learning adult. Your other decodable reader for today is Ty and Big Gilly. This story also has the spelling patterns IGHY or IE that stands for the long I sound. This story starts on page 75 and ends on page 82. Make sure to preview the story and predict what you think the story is going to be about before you read it. Again, you're going to read this through 2 times, once on your own, and then once either to your learning adult or just reading aloud. Okay, now let's check out the practice in your reader's notebook. On page 182 in your reader's notebook, you will find some practice with those spelling patterns for long I that we were working with. You're going to look at the picture and circle the word that names the picture. Okay, so let's look at the words. I spy and l, got magic E, line. Which one matches the picture? Right, he's spying a bug on a leaf. Okay, so you'd circle spy. You're going to do that for the other pictures on this page. And then if you need further practice, if you feel like you would like some more practice with these spelling patterns for long I, you can work on page 184 also in your reader's notebook. In this page, you're going to write a word from the box to finish each of the sentences. Let's read the words in the box. I, thigh, dry, dry, try, try, I, tie, and I, high. Sam hurt his when he fell. What word would best finish this sentence? Right, the word thigh. So you'd write thigh on the line. Sam hurt his thigh when he fell. Do 2 through 5 and make sure to have your learning adult check your work.